E waiho ana ka heia o Kūʻīlioloa ma kahi o pōkaʻi ma ka au kono o ahumoku puni.
Towards the land side, you could get a navigator or a master navigator sitting down towards the back of the heiau, looking at the broad horizon, watching the stars rise in the east and set in the west.
When come nighttime, when you can navigate with star stuffs and just study, that's one different kind of connection that you get, yeah.
He moʻau kala ko Kūʻīlioloa ma ka hoʻokele waʻa e kumu ana ma ke kenekulia ʻumikumalua ma ka hoʻea ana mai o ke kahi aliʻi no ka hiki.
The chief's name who came up here is Lonoʻakaʻehu. Lonoʻakaʻehu sailed to Hawaii from Raiatea, bringing stones from Taputapuatea.
Iaia, ka alo ana I ka lae o Kāneʻilio, ua hoʻoholo ʻo ia e kūkulu I hei au hoʻokele waʻa I leila me ia mau pohaku.
So what Lonoʻakaʻehu kind of taught when he built them was that, you know, this is pointing back to home, yeah? To Kaiki, to Tahiti.
Lonoʻakaʻehu's navigator on that trip was a person named Kūʻīlioloa. So the heiau is named after his navigator.
Aloa apu ke kauna noho I o ke ia inoa.
The values that he exhibits are memorialized in the interpretation of the name Kūʻīlioloa, the protective dog of Ku. The spirit, the kupua, who protects travelers, navigators, and voyagers.
A ke imi nei na hanauna ho wai anai, ko hoʻola hou I ke ia au kuʻuna o ia wahi, ma ka mālama I ko lākou waʻa kaulua o e ala ma Kūʻīlioloa nei.
And it's showing the history to our kids now, that whole history of this place, and how if you take care of them, which our generation before us did, she can give back.
And that's why it's important that Eala comes home to provide that platform of learning for these values that get passed on from the time of Lonoʻakaʻehu to future times.